long time no see. Now you know my things. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the settings. So I'll show you my new awesome skin. Don't mind that technical difficulties. Don't mind that third person. Yeah, this is the beginning back. Let me take off my nose. This is my bag. Yeah, I got this from my skin store. And it looks fresh. And this I'm now going to show you this combination. This is I memorized what I did here. This. See? You guys were mind blown when I did that. Just tell me in the comments if you got mind blown. I'll show you how to teach it. And you can extend it. How many you want? 9, 17, 60. No, 60 is the hardest. Or 100. 1 million. Whatever you want this one, it will be there. Now, I'm going to show you your materials. You need oats, planks, some wood, any planks or wood, and you can do this like 3 years, it's fine. And there's redstone torch, but let me switch this to over here. Redstone torch, need redstone dust in this one. We also needed dig. That's why I took a shovel, even though I'm in grade 8. And then this. Okay. The way you can do this is over there. Ice things from my musen, or I'll give you this idea. Changed it to pocket edition. To work. If you don't know tutorials, things that you don't know about Minecraft, and you made a diamond press. That's fresh. I don't know why I keep saying fresh. That's fresh. Anyways, continue in the video. So you should need it like 2 blocks away, or 1 block away from the door. Like so. Just okay, you want space for the iron door. Can I do as many as you want? Okay, you see that? Oh yeah, I forgot you also need a lever. Lever. Okay. Test it if it works. Okay, it works. And then as many levers as you want. For now I'm gonna use 5 for this. Then all of those will go here. See? 4. Layers. I'm totally gonna show this for Then you go dig down. Yeah. See, the door will close. If the door will close, that's perfect. Just leave. Don't put a redstone here. You also have to leave 1 empty. And and just put this here. See? You see? It's that simple. Not yet done it. Do that and that. I have to watch his video like Musen's video lots of times. Okay, I don't know if this will affect. Then you have to do the code yourself. Oh, I hate examining these.
Ano ka pala ka? Kulong na.
See? Works. Definitely works. Try this on your world. It's easy. So easy. That almost got finished. It's easy. And if you see that, when I tried that, like everyone talking when I tried flicking what it's supposed to be on. Everything is on except it's supposed to be off. When I tried to click on, it closed down, and I said, "What closed?" I said, "How does that affect anything?" And I just know. You can do this for security, yeah. And basically, that's what I want to show you today. This is a small tutorial video. If you want an official video of this, go to my musen's channel and you can just look at this. I just watched this YouTube video and basically trying to use this in a survival series. Please tell me. Okay. Go. Good.